To vectorize a PNG image in Photopea, open your file manager and then click for a sample PNG, or you can download or find a PNG template from Google, and or you can create a PNG. Now to add it on Photopea, you can just easily drag the file to it and then click image. Here you will see vectorize bitmap, click on it, and then if you want to adjust the color, you can increase it and you can also decrease it. But in this case, I'm going to increase it a little bit, and then you can uncheck the reduce noise or you can check it. Then you will notice a photo. You can choose a cartoon and you can choose also a photo, but in this case I'm choosing photo. Then you can also click the coloring book. It will fill the white spot on the image. Then you can also check the polygon. If you want a rounded vectorize, then you can also increase and decrease it. But in this case, I'm going to set it to 2. And also, you can also merge colors like fill, stroke, or labels. In labels, you can see the colors used on the PNG. And then after that, if you're finished, then click OK and go to your layers. And you will see here the vectorize photo part of your PNG image. And that's it. That's how you vectorize a PNG using Photopea. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.